Millions and thousands years back, a new planet was born, and she was named as the Earth.
After a few years, the day which entirely changed her life, there was the birth of humans.
She took care of them and gave all the necessary things to them.
But suddenly, the men grew greedy. They started to pollute their land.
They were polluting their mother. Humans cut all the trees, they made factories, they polluted the air and the water.
But Earth was a mother. She didn't want to hurt them.
But as years passed away, Mother Earth could not bear it, and it happened.
The universe was all silent.
Just the cry of the birds and animals were heard.
The Mother Earth fell off.
The buildings were shaking. It started flooding. Humans cried, "Oh, Mother Earth, help us."
But no one was there to hear their cry.
But as the tears of all humans fell on her feet, there was a magic of a mother's love. She took her all powers and she woke up. It stopped flooding. Now there was a bright sky. The entire universe was so happy. After the incident, no one dared to pollute the land.